Hello! Today I want to talk about, again, going from the electric guitar to playing bass. One thing that I use a great deal when I play jazz, bebop, fusion, whatnot, is something called the chromatic scale. And you can get by doing a lot of cool things because you're playing 12 notes. One of those notes is going to sound right. So I'll do this a lot when I play bass lines on the piano, is just use the chromatic scale, because I know that one of those pitches is going to hit. And a lot of times there's a couple of pitches that's going to hit a chord right as well. And I remember one time talking to this one really trained jazz musician, and I was asking, so what mode are you using for this, or what are you thinking for this chord? And he just looked at me and said, I just play whatever note sounds right. And for me, that was a really big epiphany, because at that point I realized if I use the chromatic scale, one of those 12 notes is going to fit just right. So and of course, the one thing about using the chromatic scale is that you do sound really busy. And there's certain genres of music sounding busy works really well in bass lines. But at first, I would always kind of say, just kind of not move a whole lot. A lot of times, less is way more. As always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that would totally compute. Computed, y'all. Yeah.